Righto, just out here today having a little better look at this net fishing boat. A bit of the trailer will be used. We'll use the drawbar. Got a brand new jockey wheel, so that'll be used again. Winch post is good. Winch needs a bit of work. Frame will get replaced. As for the boat, taking the anchor and anchor rope and that out to inspect the anchor well. Should drain down in there. This bit up on the nose, the bow. Is a bit soft. Redo that wood, glass it all both sides and glass it back in, reapply that. It'll be much the same as what it is now. The anchor wrap is going down through there, which I think is a pretty cool idea. I'll put a stainless steel or brass pin through there and then glass that into place instead of having just the rope going through the wood. So that'll be okay. Now, the front deck, here being the Esky, got the deck coming across here flush with the Esky. Caps down there and that. This is crook, it's all soft on the other side. So we're cutting this back. We're going to cut the whole thing out completely. You'll see all that on the finished video. Alright, but where we got the 2.8 metre mark here, the side of the boat, which is well in front of this swivel seat, that 2.8 metre mark is where this will finish, and it'll be straight down to floor. So the floor will go completely straight down to there. This swivel seat will go together, and this will be raised. This part from 2.8 to the front panel here, this will be raised a bit, probably about 4 inches, and that'll become the front seat. It'll be carpet and everything, so that'll be the front seat where this will sit. You won't have the swivel seat. It's going. So all this will go straight down to the floor below. That'll be sitting there. I don't know what this must have been, like a cleaning tray or something, I'd say. Might have been a filleting tray or something. So it's getting cut out. Completely remove all that, give you this pipe, aluminium, fiberglass. We'll get completely cut out to the Esky, and the same on the side of the boat. A few cracks in the floor, that'll be replaced. Good, went right through inspected it underneath, inside, it's all sealed up and a couple of cracks. This will remain the same, this panel on the back here. Battery container on one side, fuel tank cell on the other side, they'll stay the same. Swivel seat will go, the seat will be on top of that deck, will sit on that, so it'll be a casting platform and the seat. So that swivel seat will be removed. Just pause this for a minute. Righto, back recording again down the back of the boat this time. Pause the battery compartment. The battery will still go in there. It'll be okay. Switch box will get replaced with a new one. Fuse box, yeah, replace that. So that's all good. It keeps the wiring simple. I'll have it all in this housing too, but I might partition it off. Put a live bait tank in one part of it, just get the battery cell over to one side, so I can partition that off. It's no problem. And we'll just have the wires running up just to go to your port and starboard lights. All the rest, everything will all be contained in here. So a bit of a live bait tank in this side, and battery in the corner. Just a stove for the fuel tank. So it's all good. Then the transom. Let me show you on the outside here, inside, but on the outside here. Soft in places. Where the fiberglass is let go of the wood. inspect it first. I might just cut the skin off and have a look. I've got my suspicions about it. I think there's wood rot in there. So if that's the case, whole transom, we'll cut out and replace. This beam's no problem in here. It's got a knee and everything in it. That's no worries. I can redo all that. It's a couple of days work. That's alright, so that's it. Other than that, this boat is fantastic. Couple of cracks under. Oh, there's a crack underneath. There's a couple of cracks on top where it goes over the poly pipe over there. And just modifying it, just sorting out this soft spot up here. I can't get up there to show you, but right up there, where that old hatch is the soft spot of concern. So that'll, like I said, that'll get cut out and it'll move forward, and there'll be 4 feet area for it to sit there. So that'll be a lot better anyway. So yeah, it's a bit of a project, but I'm looking forward to it. And as for the flooring, I'm going to put a false floor in. I'm going to be boarding up a complete floor. There'll be carpet on the boards, and it'll just sit on top. There'll be a floating floor on top of the existing bottom of the boat. So we'll have a flat floor, of course. I won't be walking over the pipe. So that's all good. That's structural, all that pipe. It's just the way I ripped the boat up. It's all good. And there's one issue here with the drain, the drain pipe. That's the drain pipe for the main area of the boat. It comes out there and there's a bung down up at the other side of the front here. And there. That'll have to be redone on a bit of transom. That's not a biggie either. So no problem. Actually looking forward to getting stuck into this. It's going to be a really good project. That's the plan of attack. There won't be any more videos now. We've covered everything, and so next time you see it'll be up on YouTube. It'll be a complete video of a bit of what myself and Lisa working on the actual boat. Dan might be getting us out of the boat too. I'm not too sure, but Dan will be some trailers for them, up the trailer and all that. So we'll get all that together. We'll save all the still shots and all the short videos, and put it all together and make a decent video of step-by-step process of cleaning it up and turning it into something half decent. No worries. All the best. Cheers.